Sprinkle this on your couch and carpet, and you'll never pay for cleaning again. The unpleasant smell of mustiness and dirt will disappear. This trick works like magic and costs nothing. Grab a small bowl and add 2½ tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a natural stain remover, neutralizes odors, and absorbs moisture. Add ½ tablespoon of table salt. It helps lift dirt and has a gentle abrasive effect that tackles grime. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. It not only freshens the space but also brings a lovely atmosphere to your home. Mix everything thoroughly. Using a sieve, sprinkle the powder mixture evenly over the carpet. Let it sit for 20 minutes. That's when the magic happens. Do the same on the couch, covering every area. But don't stop there. After 20 minutes, vacuum the carpet and couch to remove residue, bacteria, and household allergens. Finish by wiping with a slightly damp microfiber cloth to remove any remaining powder. Your furniture and carpets will be cleaner than ever. Clean, fresh, and all natural.